All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are starting to solve higher degree polynomials. This is a continuation of section 6.4, and we're just going to get into it today, okay? So here we go. We're going to start on number 1. And we notice that they all have an x in common. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take out an x. You're left with x squared plus 11x minus 5. And that's all equal to 0. Now, you could try and factor this, but it's not going to work, unfortunately. So what we're going to end up here is you have an x equal to 0, so that's going to be one solution. And you're going to take this and you're going to plug that into the quadratic formula, the quadratic equation. So this will be the opposite of b, plus or minus square root b squared minus 4 times a times c. It's all over 2 times a. All right, so we get negative 11 plus or minus big square root 121 plus 20, and that's all over 2. So I'm sorry if you hear my stomach grumbling. I'm really hungry right now. We end up with negative 11 plus or minus the square root of 141 all over 2. Now that is not factorable. This is not simplifiable. So here's 1, 0. Here are the other 2. All right, and that should take care of number 1 for you there. Now, let me see if I can do this. It's not working. Oh, that's better. All right, now I can do that. Now, ladies and gentlemen, over here, can you factor this? Well, you can take out an x, that's for sure. So that's what we're going to do first. We're going to take out an x. That's gross. All right, let's try this. X, take out an x, you're left with 2x squared plus x minus 15. This is equal to 0. All right, so I think we can factor that. Let me double check. Yeah, bubble method. So let me go ahead and just leave this out here. I'm going to go ahead and set up my parentheses here. I have 2 and I have 3. Oh, sorry, 2 and 1. 2 and 1. And then over here for the 15, I have 5 and I have 3. So I'm going to go ahead and connect the 2 with the 3. That gives me 6. The 1 with the 5, that gives me 5. But I need a positive 1x, so I need to make the 5 negative. Okay, so these are my x's here and here. I'll have 2x, and that pairs up with the negative 5 quite nicely. Then I have my x, which pairs up with the positive... Nope, I got them switched, don't I? Oh, I shouldn't erase that. There we go. See, I made a fatal mistake there. 2x pairs up with the positive 3. There we go. And the x, 1x, pairs up with the negative 5. Almost messed it up and didn't catch it. All right. Now that we have that, now we can get our solutions. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to erase some stuff here real quick. We set each of these equal to 0. And we will get our solutions. X equals 0. Can't do anything there. That's done. Then I'm going to set 2x minus 5 equal to 0. And x plus 3 equal to 0. I'm lazy today, so I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides to get the easy one. X equals negative 3. That's another one of our solutions. And last but not least, I'm going to add 5 to both sides. You get 2x equals 5. Divide both sides by 2. We end up with x is equal to 5/2 or 5 halves. Oh, hang on. All right, so those are your 3 solutions to number 2. First video done.